So hello everyone, myself Kirtan DP and I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. So my USN is 1V23 CSN075 and the semester is third semester and my section is Bhaskara and roll number is V10 and the section and the topic we are going to study, that is pointers, and the course title under it comes is data structures and its applications. So and the course code is BCS 304. So let's move on into the video so to see the further points on the pointers. So basically, data structures on pointers. The fundamental the fundamental part of the data structure is the pointers. Pointers are the fundamental concept of computer programming that allows the direct manipulation of the memory address. So pointers, and in the word itself says the point. It points the address of the other location, address of the pointer, address of an element or an information. So understanding the data structure built on pointers is crucial for efficient and low level programming. Pointers are also called as a low level programming, and it was efficient for the data structure users. So what are pointers? So basically, the first question which arrives in your mind is what are pointers? So memory address. So pointers are the basically these three types: memory address and indirection, and dynamic memory. So pointer stores the memory address of the variable allowing the direct access and its list. So in the previous slide I have explained you what is pointers. So here it is the information. The pointers are stores the memory address of a variable allowing the direct access to its value. So the indirection, the pointers enable indirection to the ability of the access data through its address rather than its name. So rather than its name, it addresses the value of the variable. So dynamic memory pointers are essential for the dynamic memory, which can be used in manipulation. So yeah, it is used in many data structure programs. So null pointers. So utilizes the pointers should be set as null to avoiding the referring invalid memory address. So there are the three types of pointer variables. So moving on to the next slide. Pointers arithmetic. So we need to assign the pointers in the arithmetic form also. So by incrementing or offsets, incrementing, decrementing and offsets. So incrementing, in the word itself it's incrementing, the pointer can be incremented to access the memory to the next location. If the pointer is in the A1 and if it want to increment to 2, we have to use the pointer variable star. So decrementing, the operator decrements the pointer to access the value at the current memory address. So the pointer at the current memory address, it decreases to the previous address using the star operator. So offsets are the pointer arithmetic can use offset to access the elements at the specific position in memory. So basically these dynamic memory allocations are read by our class teacher. So malloc, calloc, free and realloc. So these are the three types of four types of allocation, which all are similar, which can be used which can all can be used in as a same function. So the malloc function dynamically allocates the requested memory block on the heap. So the calloc function allocates the initialized memory blocks with a value of 0, and the free function realizes the dynamically allocation memory to prevent the memory leaks. It's basically used in the allocation of the memory, where malloc, calloc, and free and realloc are defined in the outside of the program, and the realloc function realizes a previously allocation memory blocks on the heap. So basically, the pointers which we use is to point the variable on the functions. So while writing the program, we have to point the variable at the position. Example, if we want to use the temp variable, we have to use a star pointer variable, star ptr. So these are for short form, and recording process. So okay, here is the process. So these are the dynamic allocation of the program. So pointers and arrays. So pointers and arrays. So array representation. So pointer arithmetic and memory efficiency. So array efficiency. So array representations. Array are represented in memory as contiguous blocks which can be accessed using pointers. So pointer arithmetic can be used in the native through array elements and by incrementing the pointers. So, by the way, array representation. So, here array representation in the memory can continue continuous blocks which can be accessed to the pointer. So, array representation in general form array representation. So, we want to represent the array through the pointers. So we use as int star ptr where we if the compiler wants to go to the some information store where the compiler don't know the address, so there we use a pointer star pointer where allocates the location of the location of the information. So there we use these by functions. So memory efficiency. So pointer allows for more efficiency memory usage compared to the traditional array indexing. Pointers and functions. So pass by reference, return value, callback. These are the three types. There are many types. So basically, these are the main three types. So pass by reference, pass by value, return value, and callbacks. So pass by reference, a pointer can use to pass the arguments of to functions by referring enabling the functions to modify the original value. So pointers can be used to point the argument to functions by reference, enabling the functions to modify the original value. So hereby the original value, return value function can return the pointer dynamically, allocates memory allowing the creating the complex data structures. So callback functions in the word itself, it's a callback. So when you point the pointers to the specific variable, it callbacks the function and enables the flexibility of the programming uh, uh, return values. It return values for the pointers. So by this last slide, I want to conclude the pointers, the pitfalls, and the best practices. So here in this video we will understand we understood that what are the pointers are used in the data structures and why pointers are used in a data structure, where and when we have to where and when the pointers are used in the data structures. So basically there are a lot many to see through in the pointers. So thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.